Okay, so let's now answer question D. Determine the magnitude and direction of the resultant vector for 12 meters at north 40 degrees east minus 3 meters at south 30 degrees east. So we have to flip the subtracted vector. South 30 degrees east will become north 30 degrees west. So minus 3 meters south 30 degrees east, it will become plus 3 meters at north 30 degrees west. And now here, as you can see, we have vector addition. So let's draw the vector diagram. We have 12 meters at north 40 degrees east, and then 3 meters at north 30 degrees west. So connect the two vectors from head to tail, and the resultant is from the start to the end. So this is the resultant. So we have to find the resultant, and then we need to calculate theta as well. All right, so let's find out, is this triangle a right angle triangle? So if this angle is 30 degrees, then this angle will equal to 60 degrees. Okay, because this is 90 degrees. From north to west is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees minus 30 degrees equals 60 degrees. And if this angle is 40 degrees, then this angle will also equal to 40 degrees because we have alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. So this is 40 degrees. It looks like a Z-shaped letter. So yeah, and if this angle is 40 degrees, then this angle will equal to 50 degrees. Because 90 degrees minus 40 degrees is equal to 50 degrees. And therefore, the angle from here all the way to here is equal to 60 plus 50 degrees, which is 110 degrees. All right, so now let's use cosine rule to find the value of r. Because we don't have a right angle triangle, we can't use Pythagoras. We have to use cosine rule. So therefore, r equals the square root of a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos theta. So a squared, so 3 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 3 times 12 cos theta. Cos which theta, which angle? The angle that is opposite to the unknown, which is 110 degrees. Calculate this, we get 13.33 meters, correct to 2 decimal places. And now let's find the value of theta. So we will use sine rule to find the value of theta. So sine theta over the opposite side. So what is opposite to theta? 3 meters. So over 3 equals sine 110 over the opposite side. So opposite to this angle is r, which is 13.33. And now we can cross multiply to make theta the subject. So let's cross multiply. So 3 times sine 110 equals 13.33 sine theta. Okay, or you can say 13.33 sine theta equals 3 times sine 110. So now sine theta equals, divide both sides by 13.33, we get 3 sine 110 over 13.33. But this will not give you the value of theta. This gives you the value of sine theta. And we want to calculate theta only. So now let's make theta the subject. So to make theta the subject, you have to press shift sign on the Casio calculator to get sine inverse of the right hand side, which is 3 sine 110 over 13.33. And we get theta is equal to 12.2 degrees. So now let's find the angle from a major point to the resultant. so we can find the angle from north to the resultant. So we can say north and then the angle, and then we can say east. Okay, so let's find the angle from north to the resultant. So we can just find this angle from here to here, and we can call this angle alpha. So what is alpha? Alpha equals 40 degrees, this angle 40 degrees minus theta. So 40 minus theta will give you the value of alpha. So 40 degrees minus theta, theta equals 12.2. This equals to 27.8 degrees. And now we can say the angle alpha is between north and east. So we write northeast. And the angle is starting from north. That's why I wrote north first. So north, and then the value of alpha, which is 27.8 degrees east.